Hi, my name is Natalie Morrow. I am a 2010 graduate from Carson High School, where I play varsity softball. I am the pitcher and I play first base, and my summer team is Nevada Lightning. Enjoy my video.
Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this?
some more. I'm on the edge, I know the last. I work real hard to collect my cash.